Okay, I got ahead of myself and I broke off a piece, I guess. So you don't want to do that. But we'll just take this piece and make it into a nest, because I guess I have to test it anyways. And now I'm just going to keep going. So we're going to try this again and not mess up. Pull back, push forward. If you're feeling resistance, then you're probably pulling up too much. You don't want to pull up too much at once. You just want to make sure pull back, push forward. Pull back, push forward. Push forward. Pull back. And push forward. Now it's starting to just thin out a little bit. Push forward. Just do the same motion all the way around the corner. You're not going to mess up this time getting around. I promise. Pull back, push forward. Pull back. Start to thin. Isn't that lovely? You can see all the colors in there. It's just gorgeous, right? So we pull back. Isn't this just the best little tool? This is why they give this to you. You might think, why is there a dental tool in my kit? But this is going to make a world of difference when you're doing stuff like this. So just pull back. And I can kind of pick the fiber apart here, if you see. Pull back. When it starts to thin out, push forward. Pull back. When it starts to thin out, push forward. You just want to make sure you're not putting too much through at once, because that'll be too much stress and you'll just be sitting there trying to get it to go on like I was a little while ago. You'll find your sweet spot though, like I just did. Gotta get into the groove of it, I guess, when you're doing it. Pull forward, push the diz. Now we're back around. So we're just gonna pull up more. Sometimes I'll pull this out. Pull up fiber over here. Get it started. Pull forward. See? continuous strand going right now of roving that we made ourselves. It's so pretty. And then you can just put that in your basket as you're going along. And then you'll end up with all this roving at the end. And we'll weigh this and see just how much we got this time. Let's see, we're all the way back around again, and you just continue all the way around. Pull and push. And pull until you see it thin out a little bit. And push. And you just keep going. Pick up those little stray hairs as you go. Pull towards yourself. Push towards the carder. Pull towards yourself. Push towards the carder. Pull towards yourself. Push towards the carder. Push. Just remember the staple length and you will be great. Now this will probably take me a little while, so we are going to speed this up in a time lapse, and I'll see you when we get to the other end. Our beautiful roving. Nice full basket right now. And you can see all the stripes of color that we put in. And that's how you do it. It's not exactly like commercial roving, obviously, but this is still as spinnable as that type of roving, and you can make whatever color rings you want. So I would totally recommend doing it this way. I have a lot of fun doing it this way. Just remember to be careful when you're pulling back, and pushing forward is the only thing, or else you'll end up breaking it. But you know, making nests isn't really bad either. I think I'm going to turn this into all little nests. This is a little nest right here of it. The colors look really pretty, don't they? And do you see this picture when we look at these colors? I think I do. So stay tuned. I have one more thing to talk to you guys about. We'll just put it. Hey guys, thank you for watching our series. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, I told you that I have a surprise for you. If you go on over to Reservoir Fibers on Facebook, we're doing a giveaway till May 6th, this Sunday, for a Little Favorites by Ray grading cake and 2 crochet hooks. Come find our page, like the page, find the post with this picture in it, and get yourself an entry in the giveaway. See you later. Thanks. Bye.